So today we are going to read class 7 chapter 2, bringing up Kari. Means you will come to know about an baby elephant whose name is Kari, you can say that, and it is going to be called Kari because of his color. You will come to know that, right? Because it looks like you can say the ebony, that's why this elephant is called Kari, right? And how does it from baby to means become a young one? Okay, that you will come to know in this chapter, that how does it become Kari. Okay, so let's go to know that how does it. Before we are going to read this chapter, you will come to know the bravery of this elephant also, the baby elephant also in this chapter, that how this baby elephant saved the life of a boa also. When a boa was there in problem, that this baby elephant helped also. So lots of things we are going to read it. So let's go to start with this topic, what is going to be said that, right? So starting with this, it is given, first one is given, that Kari, the elephant was 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of. Means what happened, this is the story of a narrator and a Kari of elephant, baby elephant, you can say that. What happened, that narrator is saying that when this elephant was only 5 months old, that time what happened, it is going to be given to me to take care of. Take care of means to feed them properly, to be just like a pet friends, like the friends. As when we have a baby someone at home, then what happened, we used to bring dog, like different types of animals. Similarly, this elephant, baby elephant, is also going to be given to that narrator to take care of that baby elephant, or to be just like a friend, like a pet friends, right? When that elephant was only 5 months old. But you know that elephant whose length, whose you can say the breadth, everything, that weight is just too much compared to the man and all. That's why if it is a 5 months old also, it was looking like that it is 2 years old. Because of its strength, because of its height, because of its ability, whatever it has. So it was looking like that it is 2 years old. Now what happened? I was 9 years old and I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. Well, first of all, you need to understand what happened. The narrator is saying that I could reach on his back. Right, on his back when I used to stand on my tiptoe, means on my पंजा, you know. ये that narrator is saying कि मैं इसके ऊपर मैं चढ़ पाता था, जो कि मैं 9 years का था और ये मात्र 5 साल का था, फिर भी ये इतना बड़ा था मुझसे कि मैं इसके ऊपर चढ़ पाता था। जब मैं अपने पंजों पे खड़ा होके ऐसे करके चढ़ता था तो मैं आसानी से इसके ऊपर बैक पे चढ़ पाता था, ठीक है। यानी थोड़ा सा ऊंचा उठ करके मुझे इस पे ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ता था, ठीक है। यानी ये इसके हाइट भी थोड़ी लंबी थी, और डेफिनेटली एलिफेंट्स या इस तरह के जो बड़े बड़े जानवर हैं उसकी हाइट को कंपेयर करते हैं अगर ह्यूमन बीइंग से, तो कंपेयर ही ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है। देन द लेटर सेड दैट आई यूज्ड टू बी स्टैंड ऑन इट्स बैक और सीट ऑन इट्स बैक व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू बी स्टैंड ऑन माय टिपटो। मींस मैं अपने पंजों पे, जैसे पंजा, पैर का पंजा इस तरह से खड़ा होता था तो मैं इसके ऊपर क्या होता था, मैं चढ़ पाता था, या इसके बैक पे मैं चढ़ पाता था। Okay, so what happened, tiptoe? He seemed to be remain that high for nearly 2 years. यानी वो कैसा दिखता था कि लगभग ये 2 साल का जो है बच्चा है, या 2 साल का मतलब है, इस तरह से दिखता था। But actually that baby elephant was only 5 months old. This is the comparison is there. So what happened? We grew together. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. It means he's saying that, and it is saying when I was there 9 years old only, and then when this elephant was only 5 months old, so, and we start together, we start growing together, we also became the young one, and that elephant is also going to become young one. So because of that only we are unable to find out its height, we are unable to find out its weight, because if you are living with the same person, if you are staying with your brothers, you can never find out his height, how much he is going to grow, how much wealth he is going to be. It means his weight and nothing. But when you will not be together, when you will out, or you can say the far from to each other, and after a long time when you will see the someone else, you can find out, oh my god, अरे कितना बढ़ गया तू रे, ऐसे बोलता है ना सबको। जैसे किसी आदमी को अगर आप साथ में रहते हो तो उसकी हाइट, उसकी लंबाई, वो कितना बड़ा है ये पता नहीं चल पाता है, नॉर्मली प्रोबेबली ये नहीं होता है। लेकिन अगर कोई व्यक्ति आपसे दूर रहता है और बचपन में ही चला गया, या और उसको आप 5 साल 7 साल पे आप देखते हैं, तो आप देखते होंगे कि हमारे पेरेंट्स भी इस तरह के बच्चों के लिए या कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसे बोलते हैं, अरे अब तो बुरा बदल गया, तो इतना बड़ा हो गया। इस तरह की सेंस हम यूज करते हैं। इसलिए वो कहता है, नेटर कहता है कि ये मेरे साथ बड़ा हुआ, मैं इसके साथ बड़ा हुआ, इसलिए मुझे इसकी हाइट के पता, इसका वेट का पता नहीं चल पाया कि कितना बड़ा नहीं बड़ा। ठीक है, लव्ड, हाँ। So under neighbor find out just okay years tall he was. He lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof which rested on thick tree stump so that it could not fall in when Kari bumped against the poles as he moved about. अब देखो क्या हुआ कि दिन पर दिन ये बढ़ता गया, day by day this is going to be grow, their height is going to be grow. So it used to be live under a roof, you can say, which is made of like a गुम्बद की तरह बना हुआ, जिस तरह से नहीं, बड़ा सा, जैसे जिसमें जानवर को रख सकते हैं, बड़ा सा एक तरह का रूम बना था जो गुम्बद की तरह हुआ था। इस मीन्स, इसका मतलब होता है पेवेलियन, दैट मीन्स इज गुम्बद। जो गुम्बद की तरह होता है उसको पेवेलियन बोलते हैं। ठीक है, गुम्बद की तरह, जैसे मस्जिद टाइप का होता है तो उसमें बड़ा सा होता है, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि उसकी हाइट को लेकर के कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। एंड दैट इज माई थैच्ड रूफ, जो लकड़ी का बना हुआ बहुत मजबूत जो है रूफ है, विच इज रेस्टेड ऑन थिक ट्री स्टम्प सो दैट इट कुड बी, यानी इतना मोटा मोटा उसमें लकड़ी का बनाया गया था ताकि जब वह कारी बम्प्ड करता था, जब वह उसको भागना चाहता था, उसमें से होता है नहीं नॉर्मली किड्स हुज बिहेविंग लाइक दैट, मीन्स आई वांट टू गो आउट फ्रॉम हियर, तो जब वह उस लकड़ी पे मारता था तो वह उसको तोड़ नहीं पाता था। दैट्स वाई इट्स गोइंग टू बी मेड इन सच अ वे स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो उसमें से वह रहता था और वह आसानी से वहां से भाग नहीं पाता था, इसीलिए वह उस तरह की चीज को बनाया गया था। पोल्स एंड मूव्ड अबाउट। One of the first thing Kari did was to save the life of a boa. मैंने पहले ही बोला था that the most important part of this chapter you will come to know that how this baby elephant saved the life of a boa. That's the most important, and you will come to know, my dear, when you are just you have any pet animals, anyone, doesn't matter, you have a cat, you have a dog or any others also. If you are treating with that animals like a friends, like a family members, then a time will come that animals will act like your best friend. That if you are in pain, if you are in problem, that animals will always comes to help you, right? It is a very interesting thing is there that animals is very, very sympathy, you can say that, against their but if someone who is going to hurt their honor, hurt their friends who are human beings, that it's always stand to fight with that person. It is also there, the fact is there. So the most important part in this chapter you will come to know that this baby elephant helped and saved a baby boa. You can say the boa is going to be saved. Okay, like Kari did not eat much, but he nevertheless needed 40 pounds of things a day to chew and play with. That actually, you know, that food, what we eat and what an elephant eats, is just nearly, it is maybe 20 times, 30 times, 50 times, you can say that, comparing there. So this means baby elephant does not eat as much as others elephant used to eat, but it used to be eat at least 40 pounds of twins. You know, twins means tahni. You know, it used to be eaten by like the, you can say the tahni of different plants. You can say the sugar. So these kind of food item it used to be eat. So get it a proper energy what is required, but not that much. It used to play with that twins also. It used to eat also, play with that twins also. But it is required 40 pounds at least to be survived. Right. So that much at least this Kari used to eat every day. Now what happened? Things a day to chew and play with it. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. That person said because that elephant also need bath, and it could not be bath on a tap where you are living in a bathroom, it used a very open field where is a wide area where it could be bath properly. That's why that person narrator said that I used to take him every day to the pond. Pond is the area where the is a, you can say the wide area where the much water is there, so, and where this elephant can bath properly. So that narrator said that I used to take him to the pond every day, and what happened, I used to help him to bath every day, because of bath, what happened, it used to be fresh, it's need their body to be neat and clean. That's why I used to help it this baby elephant to bath every day. He would lie down on the sand back while I rubbed him with the clean sand of the river.